That's alright. Now it's all in order. Duit YouTube. Constatu. So as you can see, yes, it's still Monday and it's Founders Day, so if you've seen the video that I posted about Founders Day, you'll know what I'm talking about. So we've done some work for our psychology presentation. My two teammates have left, they have other things to do, and I said, right, I'm going to stay and I'm going to put myself in order. Got new poly pockets and dividers and things like that, given the mishap last week with the orange juice. I was watching one of Rob Lipsett's new videos and kind of just said, right, fuck it, gonna pull apart the notepad that I've been using and put everything from that into my binder. So yeah, that's only about a month and a bit in terms of notes. Also, I'm pulling them apart because they have the information about the different exams and assignments and things like that we have to do for the different subjects, so I'm trying to fucking find the information for that as well. It's in there somewhere, in that melee of paper. So yeah, that's the crack. Another reason for watching Rob Lipsett was that I finally have to go to the gym, because otherwise I'm never going to get it done. I can go on and on about money, but the gym on campus is free. So I'm going to go and start the program that Rob Lipsett gave me. Yeah, so expect a little bit more about that in the next coming weeks. Yeah. Song of all. Well, we're back again. I'm going to get my lunch. Had a pretty good session in the gym. Kind of started out going, look, this isn't going to take too long. I think it took me about, maybe about 2 hours, give or take, including time to walk, that is. And, but no, aside from possibly overdoing it with the weight on my squats, I think it went really, really well. Had to get some help because they didn't have a hyperextension bench. So I had some guy holding my legs down on the bench while I did my hyperextensions. So yeah, cool. Cheers, Rob, for doing up a really good program. Yeah, I can feel it now. But no, it should be okay. I'm looking forward to progressing it anyway. I'm going to have my lunch now, which is a pork and pasta bake that I made yesterday. So, just a tin of tomatoes, carton of passata, and 200 grams of pasta. Fuck you. Most of it landed on the lid. That's alright. Oopsie. Yeah, that's definitely going in the video. It's alright, I cleaned up. Look, see? Good as new. Oops. Most of it landed on the lid, thank God. But that's what you get for opening things with A, your bad hand, and B, one hand. And trying to vlog at the same time. Yeah, men are multitasking. I think somebody told me something about that. But, I don't know. I think my spatial awareness is slightly off. The gym was packed. It was very, very busy. Oh, thanks to Tristan. I doubt he's going to actually see this, but thanks to Tristan for holding my legs down for the hyperextensions. Yeah, I'm going to clean my cup from earlier and get myself together to do my research assignment, I think. Yeah, that's a nice easy one. Let's do that. Well, that's today's work done. Spent more time working it than I probably did on the rest of my stuff, but you know, I got work done. I wasn't actually vlogging that time. Yeah, it definitely is now. So that's it. I've got everything I need done, pretty much. I have one more piece to do for the research assignment. I have to go and do another thing that all students love to do now, and then I'm going to head home. You probably thought I meant drinking, didn't you? Shame on you. I wouldn't mind, but that's twice now that I've done it, that it stopped recording mid-vlog. Anyway. Mum and I are just heading home from doing our bit for civil society and voting. How did you find it?
A bit daunting, but got there. You're jogging that way.
Oh, I walk a bit fast. It's your fault dragging us to school.
Oh, you don't friends.
Yeah. Anyway, no, we've done our bit. I went in with my 5 that I wanted, because we're in a 5-seat constituency, as you guys know. And then I was like, well, I'll work backwards from 20 and give everybody a preference. And I got it done, and then I think I missed the number 6 and ended up having to rub it all out again. And then I decided, well, don't really like you, don't really like you, don't really like you, don't really like you, don't really like you. So I think I only got about 9 or 10 of my preferences done. So yeah, so it was a little bit difficult to decide who to give my number 20 to. So I decided I wasn't going to bother. Whereas you, on the other hand, you went 1 to 20.
Yes.
And was it tough?
It was. Well, no, it wasn't. It was purely a process of elimination. I like you, 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 top 5. And I was kind of not sure about you. Definitely don't like you.
Kate has yet to figure out hers. I left her at home with the whichcandidate.ie website. And, she'll go down before the poll closes anyway. So, she just needs to know who kind of best gels with her opinions, which should be interesting. So yeah, no, it's good that it's done. I'm glad that it's taken over. I hope we don't end up with a hung doll, because otherwise we'll have to do it all over again. No, I have my 5 plus a couple of extra, and the rest of you can all just go, sorry. Honey's eager just to get home now, I think, because she's a little bit chilly. But it'll be nice to see the back of some of these posters. I hope my collage-y, montage-y type video around who to vote for and things like that is of some use. It's probably a little bit late in this game, but maybe for the next election. You were saying that you found it a bit tough, like in the referendum it was yes and no. In this it's kind of going, oh well, you're going to be in power potentially.
Yeah.
You know? It's kind of going, I don't know about you.
You're trying to find somebody who really stands out and grabs your attention.
Yeah. Okay.
And it was tricky. It was still very vitally important to get in there and use it.
Well, yes, as you were saying, I mean, the country is only 100 years old. It wasn't that long ago that we couldn't vote in our own country. And it was even less of a time ago that women couldn't vote, in this country. So,
Ireland, Britain.
And now we have everybody else coming in from the EU who can't vote in this country. I don't remember what this statistic was, but there's an awful lot of people that are living here long enough that, they still can't vote. So, lots of more reform that needs to be done for whoever gets in, And of course, the inevitable, don't fuck it up for us and get us into another recession. But I'll leave it at that, because we could go on forever. Gur míle maith agat. I hope you voted. See you over the weekend. Slán go fóill.